Hi, again, Professor Moore. I just wanted to go over really quick an overview of the syllabus. So if you have printed off the syllabus, it should look something like this. And if you haven't printed off yet, go print it off and then come right back. Okay, hopefully you got the syllabus now. So starting on the first page here, you'll see a couple different things. You'll see my name and my contact information. I do have my office number and my cell phone number both listed there. So you can call my cell phone or text my cell phone number. Just text with your name first and then what class you're in and then what your question is so that I don't just get a freak out text at 2 a.m. saying, I'm so confused, I don't know what to do, please help. And I don't know who please help is. So name, class, and preface your question and I'll get back to you. Not at 2 a.m., but I will get back to you. So again, this is Introductory to Statistics here at ASU, and this semester is a semester-long class, so it is the full 16 weeks minus the spring break, which is in March, and so that should be fun. I believe it's 1 week long, and we don't have anything to do during spring break, so that's kind of nice. So at the very, very beginning of the middle of the first page there, you have a grid, and that just breaks out the different grades. And so you're going to get 100 points from all your mini quizzes. I would attempt the mini quiz after you watch the PowerPoints. I did PowerPoint with voiceovers for each chapter, and then we will have a final exam, which is a cumulative, and that's going to be on April 28th, I believe, yes. And then chapter quizzes, so you're going to have 5 chapter quizzes, right? You have most of them are going to be on 3 chapters, but I think 7 and 8 is just 2 chapters. So everything is online. You don't need to be on campus at all during the semester. Applia is the homework, and that is also online. You'll do 1 chapter homework for every chapter in the textbook, except for chapter 13. We don't do chapter 13, which is 2-way ANOVA. We do 1-way ANOVA, but not 2-way ANOVA. Discussion questions, you do need to participate in the discussion boards and also not only just post your own, but you also need to reply to at least one other student in the class to kind of keep those discussion boards active and participating. And I'll be active in the discussion boards also. Syllabus quiz, right? You get 5 points for taking the syllabus quiz. So again, please print it off and take the syllabus quiz. And then Applia, just registering for Applia will get you 20 points. And you don't have to necessarily put anything in there for Blackboard for Applia. I will notice that your name is in Applia in my gradebook, and then I'll give you the points in Blackboard. It is important in Applia to register as your name. So Princess Cupcake 14, I don't know who you are. I'm sure you're awesome and you're doing great in statistics, but I don't know who that is. So put Julie Smith or whatever your name is, so that I can match the name in Applia with Blackboard. Right? No late work at all is accepted in my class, so no late work in Applia or in discussion boards or anything like that. So don't wait until the last day to get your homework in. Start it way before that is due. The second page is all about how to register for Applia. So we have our course code here at the very, very bottom in bold. Type in that course code for me. Now, if you follow the links I have in Blackboard, it should be pretty easy to register for Applia. And you can either purchase Applia directly through Cengage or through the ASU bookstore. Either way works. Now, if finances are an issue, still register, but click the option of 2-week free trial. So they do give you that 2-week free trial option, so take advantage of that. Applia due every Monday night. So the next couple pages or so is just like disability accommodations. So I do, for most videos, I'm getting to all of them, but most videos I do have ADA compliant closed captioning available, but if you have different needs, definitely reach out to me and I'll meet those accommodations. If you keep flipping over, you'll eventually come to a course calendar. So I have a course calendar for built out with every assignment for the entire semester. There's spring break. Just follow the course calendar. Everything should be on there for the course. Also in Blackboard, you can follow that along too. There's a couple different places that everything is due. So the first thing that's due is the syllabus quiz and the first discussion question. The first discussion question is just like an introductory video or text, whatever is easier for you. And that's in the discussion boards. with the learning modules, that again, that's the one I would really use. Just go through the learning modules and sequentially finish them all. Like I mentioned, APLIA homework is due on Mondays, and then your discussion questions are due Tuesdays. Try to have the responses due on Tuesday also, right? You don't have to get them done on Tuesday. If it's Wednesday, that's okay. But don't let it go weeks and weeks and weeks where you don't have a response, especially if somebody asked you a question, right? Your mini quizzes will be due on Friday, and then every 2 or 3 weeks you're going to have chapter quizzes. Most quizzes include 3 chapters, but some are 2. And then, like I mentioned, we have April 28th is our final exam, cumulative, so we're all chapters we cover for our homework. Spring break, nothing is due during spring break, so don't, as long as you're caught up, you don't really even need to log on, right? That's like a break, so take advantage of it. Well, hopefully, like I mentioned, you printed off the syllabus. If you haven't, please print it off, at least the course calendar part of it, and then send me an email or text me with any questions. All right, thank you.